In a dimly lit boardroom, IBM's executive team meets secretly for the third time this month. Charts show declining HR efficiency. AI pilot programs flash across the screen. In a lab, AI engineers finalize an HR chatbot that can respond to 80% of employee queries. The test phase ends in applause. CEO Arvind Krishna stands before a teleprompter. Behind the scenes, comms teams rehearse wording. Aggressive AI integration, reallocation, efficiency. HR systems queue up severance packages. Names of 8,000 employees appear, one after another, on an internal dashboard. At exactly 10 a.m., inboxes ping across the globe. A simple subject line: important update regarding your role. HR staff in Raleigh open their emails simultaneously. Silence follows. One employee mutters, "But I trained the AI." IBM's internal Slack channels buzz with questions. A bot now answers most of them. Irony noted. CEO Krishna hosts a live-stream town hall. He repeats, "We're not replacing people, we're upgrading potential." Reactions are mixed. Internal forums fill with feedback. Some applaud modernization. Others share tearful goodbyes. A fired HR specialist posts, "I'm not a task, I'm a person." CHRO Nicole Lamoureux writes a public op-ed. "This is evolution, not erasure." She mentions higher value work. Critics call it cold. Jared, a 12-year IBM veteran, logs in one last time. He processes his own exit interview, conducted by a bot. His former job is now handled by an AI dashboard named Cora. It replies in polite corporate language. Some HR staff remain. They eat lunch in silence, unsure why their jobs were spared. Survivor's guilt sets in. Mia, an HR analyst, is offered a retraining package. She's headed to sales. She's never sold a thing. Laid-off HR workers form a virtual support group. They vent, mourn, and plan their futures. One former employee becomes a contractor, training the AI that replaced him. He jokes, "Meet your replacement and your intern." A scene montage of AI asking departing employees, "How satisfied were you with your time at IBM?" It feels surreal. Quiet murmurs of unionization arise in LinkedIn posts. HR was just the beginning. Who's next? An HR veteran opens a boutique consultancy. Human Touch HR. Her tagline, "Where people still matter." An HR worker leaves a sticky note on her monitor. "Good luck, Cora." She closes the door quietly. A montage of laid-off HR staff attending online courses, learning Python, UI, UX, sales strategy. The rebirth begins. A team realizes nobody remembered a 20-year employee's anniversary. The AI forgot. Once bustling HR floors now echo. Cleaning crews quietly wheel away unused chairs. A junior staffer cries alone. Jared always brought cupcakes on Fridays. Culture evaporates with automation. An anonymous employee starts a blog. Inside the AI transition, it gains 50,000 followers. A visual stream of employee queries is shown. "How do I update my benefits?" AI answers in milliseconds. The AI gives incorrect tax form instructions. Panic spreads. A human has to step in. Engineers tweak models based on employee feedback. AI learns faster. Smarter. IBM's internal reports show 40% faster HR processing. The AI is winning. Employee trust in AI is measured weekly. Numbers rise slowly. Not everyone is convinced. A bug causes Cora to loop its response. "Your concern is important." Irony deepens. A/B testing pits Cora against a live HR specialist. Speed wins. Empathy doesn't. Cora forgets to announce a statutory holiday. Employees come in by mistake. IBM launches a new AI-assisted feedback tool. Managers are coached on tone and timing by the machine. A developer proudly demos. "Here's your new HRBP, coded in just 900 lines." A flashback to Duolingo's AI pivot. Voice actors gone. Same pattern. A scene of a manager justifying a new hire. Can AI do this? Pause. No? Proceed. IBM stock rises after the announcement. Anchors on CNBC nod approvingly. Job listings show a shift. AI familiarity required. Prompt engineer wanted. Other corporations quietly study IBM's model. The HR dominoes begin to fall. A whiteboard session with strategy consultants. Arrows point from HR to sales, dev, customer success. The Think conference opens. AI demos steal the show. A standing ovation. Panel discussion. Are we automating our humanity? Heated debate ensues. Lamoureux unveils IBM's new Human-AI Synergy roadmap. Critics call it Orwellian. Business schools update curricula. HR is now taught as People Analytics and Automation. Analysts predict which departments are next. Finance? Legal? Logistics? Former HR staff list AI collaborator as a new title. LinkedIn profiles evolve. AI engineers monitor Quora overnight. A new update rolls out. No one else notices. A former HR director is interviewed for a podcast. We didn't see it coming until it did. A young intern asks, "Will AI ever replace empathy?" A senior employee replies, "Not yet.